门外丑关我门内什么事呀？准备好了吗？欢迎参观我的1楼中户60平小家，从一进门开始介绍吧。进门右手边是一个餐边柜，也是我的西厨咖啡角，全套是宝格丽的岩板定制，搭配了一个圆形水槽，墙后是天井，被我砸出了一个冰箱的空间。左手边是一个小型的鞋柜，不过我一个人住是足够了。接着到我们的开放式小厨房，墙砖我用了小片砖的半贴式，因为是内窗，不用风吹日晒，所以我搭配了一个老钢窗的造型。个人非常满意这个窗户的颜值，特地没有做全上柜的形式，也算是我的一个小小酒水区了。一墙之隔，到了我的卫生间，为了放下我心心念念的浴缸，增大了卫生间的面积，洗手台也是安排了加大的1.4米尺寸。出门就是餐厅区域，小户型比较适合圆桌，更省空间一些。接着就是我们的客厅区域。今天的天气非常好，特地没有做电视背景，定制了一个冻实的壁炉，搭配了可移动的电视支架，非常实用。原本的阳台区域被我打通并入了客厅，顶上不是晾衣杆哦，是一个天际线灯。沙发背景做了一个玻璃造型，可以增加一些采光。中间是百叶帘，睡觉的时候可以完全关闭。我是2室改成1室，所以主卧做了一个套房，特地设计的一个双开门的造型。主卧连通衣帽间，因为主卧宽度有限，所以做了无床头的造型。为了区分卧室和衣帽间，做了一个1米宽的斯卡帕造型隔断。衣帽间为了增加储物空间，做了2排到顶的衣柜。好啦，这就是我家的基本格局和构造。自己的家一定是要以自己喜欢为主，满足自己的喜好才是重中之重。还有什么疑问可以评论区告诉我哈。
Dim, your light appears, dispelling doubt and calming fears. A gentle touch, a loving hand, hope's embrace across the land. I lift my voice in humble song to feel your presence all day long. Your spirit moves a gentle stream, fulfilling every function. You are that never dries, sustaining life before my hope's embrace, so warm and true, guiding my steps in all I do. Unending source of strength and grace. In your love, I find my place. Through trials face your presence north, a constant love, divinely shorn in every storm.
你好，师傅。
我在。
打扫咖啡区。
开始清洁咖啡区。
light appears, dispelling doubts and calming fears. A gentle touch, a loving hand, hope's embrace across the land. I lift my voice in humble song to feel your presence all day long. Your spirit moves a gentle stream, fulfilling every heartfelt dream. You are the source that never dries, sustaining life before my eyes. Hope's embrace, so warm and true, guiding my steps in all I do. Caught and kissing my friend's love after taking her all the way to Cabo, lying about getting married in the chapel, while she thought he was.
Don't you tell me that it wasn't meant to be.
Another evening wasted on a man I was chasing, and one that would throw me away. But I thought he was gonna come and save me. Remember when I thought he was the one, when I thought that this was love, when I thought that this was better. Now I see that it's whatever, and I guess you could call me dumb, but I thought he was the one. Your sweater in my room. I put it on 'cause it still smells like you. It's a hot night underneath the covers. It's alright, you can keep it if you wanna. And I wanted you when I saw you in the lobby. And I wanted you when you made me laugh at the party. In moments when we cannot see, we trust your hand eternally. A guiding force, a comfort deep. Your unseen hand our souls will keep. The world may puzzle, plans concealed, but wisdom true in you reveal. We turn away from unworldly sight and walk by faith in your pure light. When shadows fall and worries call, your gentle presence answers all. A tranquil space where I can rest, refuge of truth, truly